Good morning. I feel a little bit revived today since yesterday was the day after the party. I rested all day. Look at all those presents. I don't know what to do with them, but my voice is I kind of lost my voice since I said I'm sick and I don't know what, but I have it, but it just sounds kind of weird and I haven't gotten ready or anything still. I got ready for the party. But since then and before then, I didn't get ready. But I'm actually gonna get ready today because I'm gonna film a sit-down video. And I don't know, I just felt like getting ready for it. But I'm gonna post an update. But enough freaking talking because let me say real quick. So today I'm gonna see. I might vlog but I'm pretty sure today I'm gonna be doing a clean with me because I really need to clean. It's on my list, and I think we're gonna go to the park later. But right now I'm about to take some laundry because that's the first thing on my list because I really need to wash laundry. So I'm gonna be taking these 2 bags, and I do have a laundry basket, but since we have so many clothes, it's Vivian's clothes, my clothes, and then darks, jeans, Ivan's work clothes, blankets, towels, everything. I have a laundry organizer, so there's 4 in there, and then the jeans I usually put in the basket, but the basket is full right now with other clothes. And it's just easier to actually carry this because I don't have laundry in my apartment. We have a laundry mat type thing, we have laundry here, and I like it because I can just leave my clothes in there because there's a lock on the door and nobody ever steals your stuff or anything. One time I had somebody take my stuff out of the dryer, but it was already dry, and I was like, whatever. I mean, if they really need to use it and my stuff was already dry, I'm like, whatever. And they put it on the counter, so oh well. But anyways, I'm gonna be taking those 2, and then here I just take my laundry soap and these little Unstoppables. They smell super good, and then I just need to get my quarters. So I'm gonna go put the laundry to dry now, and my voice is so freaking bad, but I still look like crap. But let's go put the laundry to dry, and hopefully it dries because last time my clothes were soaking wet. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be doing some dishes, which is the worst part of the day. Not the worst part, but the worst part for me is putting the laundry away. I don't care about washing it, drying it, whatever. Putting it away, I legit can't. And why do I look like that? Who is she? So I'm just gonna do some dishes right now. And I have a dishwasher, but it's broken, so I know that they're not gonna fix it because I know it just needs to be replaced, which I know they ain't gonna do, so I'm just gonna wash dishes now. So I gotta wash them by hand, like I said, because my dishwasher doesn't work, so I just use that for storage. But yeah, so anyways, hey Google. Freaking mess, but now I'm gonna clean the floors, and I already swept them, so I'm just gonna mop them right now. So I'm gonna be using my it's the O Cedar spin mop, and I really recommend this mop. I tried 4 mops before this and I didn't like any of them. This one, you dip it in here, you put the stuff, obviously, you put it on here, and then there's a little pedal right here. And it takes out most of the water so the floor is not soaking wet. But I think I got this for $31 at Target, but it's really good, and it's really worth it. Okay, so I need to clean my floors in my kitchen. They're literally filthy, but I always clean the countertops first. That way if anything falls onto the ground, then I just sweep it up and mop it. So first thing I do is I put everything that's on the counters, I just move it. Usually I just put it all up here on the bar, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So then I take my cleaning spray and I use the Miss Myers, the multi-service cleaner, and I get the honeysuckle scent. It smells super good. I really recommend this, and it works pretty good. So, and then I just take my rag because I don't like wasting too many paper towels, which I do use them sometimes, but it's just like a waste. So when I wipe down and do everything, I just use these. And I got this from Walmart. I don't remember how many comes in a pack, but it's only like a couple dollars and you get a whole pack of them. And then after they're dirty, I just throw them into a bucket, and once the bucket's full, I just go wash them again. So it works pretty good. I'm gonna clean my floors in my kitchen now, and it's pretty hard to get like the whole thing, but my kitchen's really small anyway, so this is basically is the floor. I mean, there's just this, and that's basically it. So yeah, I'm just gonna move the trash can and everything, and then I'm gonna sweep, and then I'll mop.